Gene expression is not static. While your DNA sequence remains largely fixed, epigenetic mechanisms, such as DNA methylation, histone modification, and non coding RNAs, regulate whether genes are turned on or off. These mechanisms are dynamically responsive to environmental inputs, including diet, sleep, exercise, stress, and microbiome derived signals. What if I told you your daily choices are constantly talking to your genes? Food is information. Nutrients like folate and polyphenols can switch genes on or off by altering DNA methylation and histone acetylation. Exercise activates gene pathways for metabolism, inflammation control, and even longevity, literally rewiring your mitochondrial DNA. Sleep and circadian rhythms regulate clock genes that influence immunity, hormones, and detoxification. Miss sleep, and your body expresses stress and inflammation genes instead. Stress leaves a molecular footprint. Chronic stress upregulates inflammatory genes, but practices like meditation can reverse this by changing methylation patterns. Even your gut microbiome plays a role, producing metabolites that act as gene regulators. Bottom line, your genes are not your destiny, they're a dialogue. And your lifestyle is the language. Choose inputs that tell your genes to heal, not to harm. If I wanted to start talking to my genes today, here's exactly what I'd do. Eat a gene-smart breakfast, rich in color, fiber, and healthy fats. Think blueberries, chia seeds, greens, and pastured eggs, or avocado. This sends anti-inflammatory longevity signals right to your DNA. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight to anchor my circadian rhythm and optimize my sleep-wake gene expression. Move my body, even just a brisk 15-minute walk. Muscle contraction flips the switch on genes for insulin sensitivity and mitochondrial repair. Hydrate and avoid plastics. Clean water and glass or stainless steel. Your detox genes don't like endocrine disruptors. Take 5 minutes to breathe deeply or meditate. This quiets genes tied to inflammation and stress. And remember, every bite, breath, step, and thought is genetic input. You're not just living your life, you're programming your biology.